This is the keys that they gave us, the key bob. For $5.99, we were able to make it look like new. That was Chevy Silverado key thing that, if you can see, you can't read any of the buttons here. We have a new one here. All right, what we're going to attempt to do is separate this and put the guts inside of here. So first thing to do, I guess, we get it off the keyring. All right, now I assume, see the little pry tool here, if we can't get in here. It's actually broke. This old one's actually broke. Notice the piece off the corner there. Can you see that piece off the corner there? So we'll separate this out. All right. The buttons, board, and the battery connector. All right, this one has ends on the end, or chrome pieces on the end, which I'm taking off. And this should separate also. There is an outer cover on this, and that I didn't see on this old one. So I guess I'm lucky I got it out. But if you see, there's an outer cover on there that pops out of there. All right, so I snapped that in there. All right, now let's see if about getting this board in here. It has to go. And it can only go one way. It has these bosses here that's up like that, and these go over the top of that, like that. All right, and then we should be able to just push it together. I'm sorry about the dog. All right, so that is back together like that. And before we put it all back together, we're gonna go check her out. Really easy fix. It went back, it works just fine. So we snap these back on there. Push them on there. All right, and this side. All right, so this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. All right, this. And this is what it did for a simple little part. We were able to fix that and replace that. Yeah, I just wanted to mention, I forgot to mention that this key, this outer shell for this key was $5.99. So if you think about it, this is what, when we bought the truck, this is the keys that they gave us, the key bob. For $5.99, we were able to make it look like new. And this was, there are cheaper ones. However, we vouched for the one with the metal rim on the outside. It looks cool, plus it's more durable. So, all right.